everyone, welcome to the Magic Stairway. Here we'll try to understand the things around us in a fun, simple way. For that, I have my two little kids. Today we are going to do a simple experiment to demonstrate air pressure. For that, we need two things. One, an empty plastic bottle, and then a piece of paper. So, let's start. First, fill the water bottle with water all the way to the top. Now place the paper on top and seal it. You can pull the edges if you like. Now, put it upside down and scare the kids. What happened? What is air pressure? Let's find out. The air is everywhere and it is pushing on everything all the time. This pushing is what we call air pressure. So, is the air pushing me, you, us right now? Yes. We don't feel it. Why? Because there is also air inside our body. Like there is air inside the lung, the stomach, etc. It exerts equal pressure outside. So basically there is no pressure difference and we don't feel it. So, coming back to our experiment. What is happening? Let's find out. In this experiment, the water and the paper form a tight seal at the opening. So which means the outside air is not going inside the bottle, it's closed. The air outside the bottle will push the paper from below. And this air pressure is strong enough to hold the water in place.
Mom, what if we only fill half the bottle?
Good question. The experiment will still work because the pressure inside the bottle is still less than the pressure outside. So the water stays in place. But what happens if we take very less water? Then the pressure inside the bottle and the outside the bottle will be same. So the water will spill all over the place.
Wow, that's amazing!
Hope you enjoyed our video. See you next week with another experiment. Until then, bye.